Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a replacement remote for your Android TV box. This is a pretty cost efficient remote here. It's about $15 US. The reason why I chose to go with this one is because previously I had heard about the Bluetooth version of it or a similar version of it. And I went and bought this and it didn't actually work out very well because the Bluetooth connection kept on dropping out. So I wanted something that I could plug in directly into my Nvidia Shield so I don't run into disconnecting issues. So I went ahead, grabbed this one. So we're gonna take a look at this one and see how well it works. It works on most devices, smart TV, PC, Android TV boxes. It does have a mouse button on it. It's a 2.4 gig remote and it says it could go about 10 meters, so that's quite a bit of distance there. I'm gonna try plugging this into my smart TV. My primary concern is to get to work on my Nvidia Shield. So let's just open it up and see how it looks like. Okay, so here we got the remote. So here we have the power button. So this will be able to put your Nvidia Shield into standby mode. We have a mute button. And we can see we have a backspace key. We have the mouse toggle. I guess this here will be the menu, back, home. What I like here is we have the actual buttons for lowering and raising the volume. One thing I didn't like about my Nvidia Shield controller was the swipe pad. I always found that I had difficulties getting it to react whenever I would swipe. Over here we have the voice button, which should allow us to talk with our device, in particular my Android TV. Over here we have our back, play and pause, and we have the forward skip. Pull that off here. Over here we have our USB dongle, which we will plug into the back of the device we choose. That'll go like that. It takes 2 AAA batteries. So I'm just gonna put in some batteries in there. So next I'm gonna plug my Nvidia Shield in and we're gonna go ahead and start testing this out and see how well it works. What time is it in France?
The time in France is 12:56 a.m. on Monday.
So I've been using this remote for a few days now and the response time has been excellent. I've had no issues like I had with the Bluetooth remote with it dropping off. The voice control works well and the Air Mouse is an added bonus. I was actually able to plug this into my Sony Android TV and it ran without issue as well. The only issue I can see people having is that it uses a USB port. That being said, this is where I'm gonna end the video. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you on the next one.